to give you this quick update while I'm thinking about it to let you know that the Road to 1000 website is now up, it's running, and we're ready for action. Just to let you know, as you can see up here, I've made some changes on top to get to the most important pages. Of course, we got the main page, which is our mission page. And that's the one, if you want to help, besides donating, if you could share that around. Just go over here, and my internet's slow, as you know, so yeah, it's going to take a while to load. But if you could share this page, that will help get the word out to more people so we can meet our goal quicker. And that's the one I would prefer people land on at first. But as you can see, I also have an updates page. I want to show you that. And these are all going to be at the top, so you don't have to go searching for them. Especially the update page. If you're a sponsor, you can come here, and anytime there's a change in the amount for the total, for the goal of 1,000, it's going to be updated here. Every time I get the confirmation through PayPal, this number right here is going to change. As you can see right now, it's 15, which is a great start, by the way. But right now it's 15, and every time I get the confirmation, hey, somebody's donated, somebody's going to do this every month, I will come here and update that page to let you know where we are. And also, if anybody has any questions, leave them in the comments if they are not answered on this page. I made an FAQ page. Questions I might ask about something like this. But if you can think of more questions and answers I should add to this FAQ, let me know in the comments below. Just go and check it out. The links are down below, of course, where you can go and look at all the changes I made. And my internet, right? So here's some questions. How do I know this isn't a scam? What if I can only get $5 a month? Can I change my donation amount from month to month? What if donations fall below 1,000? What will you do if it exceeds 1,000? And how can I start donating? And every page is going to have the button on the bottom. And I also want to let you know that as soon as we get back here, well, I can show you here, I guess, that the connection here is secure. Your information, passwords, credit card numbers is private when sent to this site. But this is a dual layer security thing because I do not process the payments on this site. Even though it's secure, I don't process them here. I use PayPal. And if anything, PayPal is maybe a bit too secure. Sometimes I have a hard time logging in. It seems like if you don't log in every once in a while, they get all panicky when you finally do and want to ask you all sorts of questions and text your phone number and send you an email and ask for a blood sample or something. I don't know. But so yeah, it's good here just to click that button. It's secure. And then all of the payments are going to be processed by PayPal and all that good stuff. And I found out, and I didn't know this because I never set up a button like this before through PayPal, but I guess you do have the option of making it an automatic monthly payment on a certain date. So that's an option if you want it. But like I said, that's not necessary for people who wanted to get away from that with Patreon. It's not necessary to do that here, just month to month. Change it at any time. If you can't do it 1 month, that's all right. That's why I set the goal at 1,000. Also, I want to say that if we can reach half of our goal, half of the goal in the next 10 days before the big holiday here starts, then what I will do is, internet gods permitting, I will do a live stream or as close to it as I can get from either on my YouTube or my Facebook somewhere to introduce you to at least the first 5 students that are going to benefit. You can see them live face to face and their smiling faces. Feel free to say hello, introduce yourself if you want, and I'll do that for as long as my internet will allow me to stay connected. So spread the word. Let's see if we can get to 500 first, and we can make that happen. And even if the internet says no, we're not going to let you do that because we suck, because the internet sucks, then I will record something on here, kind of like I'm doing now, except with the webcam instead of the web page, and spread it around on my YouTube, Facebook, and everything like that. So let's make that happen. So you can see the first 5. Oh, also somebody asked about the schedule for the students. Should I reach the goal and hit 20? And I only like teaching like 5 at a time. I like the smaller sizes because nobody gets lost. I'm going to make sure everybody is learning at the same pace, and the more people in one class, the harder that is to do. So I'm going to just have 5 at a time. So I will be teaching 4 1-hour classes per day once I hit 1,000. If I can get 500, I'll be teaching 2 1-hour classes per day, 5 in each class. And 250, I will be teaching 1-hour class each day with 5 students in there. But we'll get to all that. These are all the important pages. All the rest of them, all the rest of the posts that are going up are going to be updates, and I'll be able to actually upload lots of pictures and videos and fun stuff from time to time. So if you would, you can feel free to donate now if it's something you're interested in. And also come to the Our Mission page, copy the link, and share that around, help spread the joy. I'm looking forward to it, and I hope you are too. And one last thing before I leave, I'm going to give a cheap plug to my brand new YouTube channel, and it's called Top Product Reviews. But here's the thing, only 3 subscribers, but it just started like 3 days ago, so that's not bad. So go over there and give it some love if you want. These are just best products, best for different things: lifestyle, health, wealth, relationships, things I find that can help people that have a variety of problems. And these are products they might be interested in. As you can see, they're not long. The longest one is 10 minutes. How long have you known me to talk for less than 10 minutes? But here's one's only 3 minutes and 6 seconds, 5 minutes and 58, less than 5 minutes. I got the best lip plumper. If you ladies are interested in getting those plump, full lips. Dog and cat arthritis natural remedy for pain relief for your pets if they have joint pain and issues. The best dog training, how to train your dog. And the best keto diet supplement, 100% natural and safe if you're into the keto diets. You can use this to help achieve your goals faster. So I'll be adding on there all the time. Top product review. My other websites are down below. Make Money with Dave. And Single Life's cooking channel. We just uploaded another video from her channel. So be sure to check that out. And that was it. Just a quick little update. And there's my Make Money with Dave channel. As you can see, 23 subscribers. Not too shabby. Not great, but it's okay. Gaining more and more. I started with 0 like everybody else. And there are some of the videos you can go on there and see if you wish to peruse them. All right. That's it for me. Don't forget to share the mission page. Go ahead and donate if you want, and we'll be starting our full-time classes. We might even be able to get a couple in before the holiday if we reach that amount, that certain amount. Otherwise, we'll be starting next month after the holiday is over. All right. I will talk to you guys in the next one.